Praise the Lord. Hallelujah. Hey, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen.
Oh, Papa Osofu, we've heard you. Say what you have to say this hot afternoon.
Yeah? Well, how about Sama? Papa Osofu, dog, you've seen me.
Well, you can call me Mr. Preacher Man, Papa Osofu, or whatever. Because even in the Bible, it says, Matthew 22:21, give unto Caesar what belongs to Caesar, and give unto God what belongs to God. Well, today I'm not Mr. Preacher Man. I am your tax preacher.
Did you hear what he just said? He said it's a tax preacher.
That's preacher this thing, no.
Tell him now that we have tax preachers. And tell him about
Listen. I have traveled far and wide. I have been to the UK, I have been to the US of A, I've been to Germany, I've been to China, Dubai, Korea, South Africa, even Namibia. Let me tell you something about taxes. All these countries have developed so well because they pay their taxes.
Boy, and a son, you are really an international tax preacher.
You can call me the international tax preacher. But the truth be told, we all like good things. We all like to feel unique. I mean, look at your shades, unique. Look at your gold chain, on point. Madam, I'm sure your hair is Peruvian hair. But imagine, if we get out of all our uniqueness and we enter into muddy waters or dust, where are we going? That's why we all need to contribute to, the government fund so that we can all contribute our taxes so Ghana can develop. Let me tell you, you see the road? Nice, beautiful. Because people started paying our taxes long ago. The government is not collecting our taxes to make us poor. No.
Massa, see, since Gold Coast time, we've been paying taxes, but still on the road. Listen,
Massa, where do you live?
Kaneshi,
Madam Peruvian?
Madina.
Kaneshi, Madina, boss?
East
Legon, Madina, Kaneshi. If I give you 1 kilometer road to construct, can you do it on your own? No. That's why we need to contribute to the, a fund. If all of us contribute, small. In fact, let me be honest, in Ghana, only about 12% are paying taxes. Yes, that is taking care of the whole of Ghana. If all of us are paying taxes, can't we do more than what the 12% are doing? So let us all contribute. Let's pay our taxes. Me, I own my fancy cake shop. I pay my tax. You pay your tax. Everybody pays our taxes. Together, our future becomes.
It's your civic duty. It's the law. Our taxes, our future.
Then pay your taxes.